Vacutech manufactures industrial commercial vacuum systems, largely for the car wash industry, but also for industrial applications. We do them for mines and the large wind turbines that you see all over Wyoming. We've also built a system for a subcontractor of Boeing, working on the 787 airplane composite wings. So fairly diversified, but our concentration is in car wash systems. They moved the company here in 2012 from Denver. At the time they had 22 employees, and since that time we've grown about 30% a year. We have 4 plants in Sheridan. We employ 160 people, so it's been a good move coming to Sheridan. We purchase electric motors, we purchase gauges and hinges. Beyond that, though, everything is manufactured. All the mat racks, the trash cans, the arches, the turbines, the separators, every component of the system is manufactured right here in Sheridan. There's a lot of potential for growth. We've just really barely penetrated the market. So I suspect Vacutech will continue to grow as it has.
We are a full-service marketing agency, really coming from the angle of business development, coming alongside helping businesses start up and scale up, really understanding their product, their sales process, and what kind of value we can offer from a marketing perspective. We started to see some major ROI for some of our clients. It was really cool to see kind of the business skyrocket, and then for us to expand our offerings to things like web development and branding, and now really diving in a little bit deeper, just from the kind of entrepreneurial heart that we have as a company, to looking at their business as a whole and understanding what are some pain points, what are some barriers, how can we overcome those. Also get the opportunity to build relationships with other downtown businesses, Bighorn Design being one of those, one of our really great partners. Just being able to create a more lively Main Street has been exciting.
We're a manufacturing and engineering company. Primarily it's within the aviation space, however we are in other sectors such as the healthcare industry. Our guiding principle is to protect high-value assets. We produce products for every aircraft in the Department of Defense inventory. We do specialty covers for the F-16 Thunderbirds based out of the Nellis Air Force Base. We also have a product called the Soft Suicide Prevention Door, which basically is a door that's used in behavioral health units. We're very, very proud of that. We provide a significant amount of doors, not only to the United States, but in other countries as well. We recently just went over 50 employees total for the company. Almost 30 of those are on the production floor itself. And I definitely see a lot of opportunity not only for the engineering area here at Kennon, but also other technical fields, and then certainly in the manufacturing space as well.
We have a number of companies that incubate with us and go from concept to initial formulation of a business plan to hopefully first revenue and ultimately graduation. We have a good variety of clients in Sheridan. We have software developers, folks that have products to manufacture, a couple of artists that we counsel with that have really taken root and are contributing their talents to the community.
I'm a visual artist. I focus on Western cowboy art, animals, and landscape. I've come to find every time I look at the map there's a name of a lake or a park that I haven't been in I want to see. So I take my sketchbook around, try and render something from it and bring it back here and try and create.
The companies will go out and actually be part of the community, contribute to economic development, hire people, and it's one of the ways that the community as a whole can diversify its job base.
I've really enjoyed getting to know Scott. He's been a huge asset.
There's a lot of knowledge that if they come in with a great idea, it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be successful. What we try to do is through the incubation process, pull in skills and background and resources that will maximize their chances for success.
He's helped me with my finances to get those in order and keep up with my bookkeeping. He's helped me to grow my audience and stay in touch with them, helped me restructure contract. I certainly wouldn't be where I am now if I didn't have his help.
Ptolemy is a managed service provider, so we provide contract IT and network security services throughout the Rocky Mountain region. We have a data center that we built here about 5 years ago, and it's a boutique data center, so really we customize cloud solutions for our clientele. We do have a remote office in Aurora, Colorado, and so we have the opportunity to serve our clients a little bit more directly in the Colorado market. Where we provide contract IT services to clients, we parallel that with their cybersecurity needs as well as their cloud storage needs. And so for us, serving the Rocky Mountain region, the data centers really allowed us to complement what we do in the MSP side of the house. Sheridan is home for us long term, but it's our base of operations, so to speak, where we know that we can continue to grow throughout the region in particular and always have a footprint to go back to here in Sheridan.
Sheridan College is really a community, and we welcome students and employees into the Sheridan College family, as well as the broader community. We offer 60+ programs and areas of study for students to choose from. We play an important role in economic development. We partner with the city, we partner with the chamber, we partner with, everyone, individual businesses. As we are able to expand, it is in partnership with these local community employers. We're growing together, we're helping each other, and that's really, I think, what makes the difference.
We want to be able to accommodate to literally anybody that needs any sort of metal work done. We do a lot with the energy industry, but we also take stuff as small as somebody needs a coffee table replaced or fixed. We've got a full fabrication shop, welding shop, and then on the other side we've got a full machine shop. A company will have a product, and there are certain aspects of this product that they cannot complete. They will work hand in hand with us, and we will perform the tasks that they need so that they can get their finished product out. We're completely swamped. We have almost double the work that we had just a couple of years ago. So we are considering ourselves a small to mid-sized company, but we want to run with the big dogs.
We still have some of that remoteness to allow you to stretch your legs.
The resources and the talent that's available in Sheridan will always make it a desirable place.
Beautiful, beautiful place, small town, lots of activities.
Our pathways with our easy access to the mountain is great. We've got a hidden gem here.